entrepreneurs and artists actually have the same characteristics. We're all risk takers, creators, passionate, and visionaries.
Small shows are what ignited the connection between the relationship between our audience and the artist. You know, I believe in the symbiotic relationship of the music creator and the consumer. If you don't build an environment where they can connect, then there's really no use. Great if we'll check these shows out. There's so much talent in Cebu. There's so much to be proud of, but it's not enough knowing that. We have to help nurture these talents.
One thing I found out working with a lot of creatives is actually creatives have such a big heart. They will give their talent for free if it's for a cause to save the world. So they actually love to share.